Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying which domain controller currently hosts the DNS role and that Active Directory replication is healthy. This prevents data loss. Next, export or backup DNS zones using PowerShell or DNSCMD so you can restore records if needed. Once backups are complete, make sure another authoritative DNS server is ready to host the zones and clients are pointed to it, because removing DNS without a replacement breaks name resolution across the domain. Start the removal by uninstalling the DNS server role through Server Manager or use PowerShell. Remove windows feature DNS restart when appropriate. Before finalizing, verify that all DNS zones were transferred or exported to the target server, and that DHCP or clients have updated to the new DNS IP addresses to avoid lookup failures. While the role is removed, monitor AD replication and the system and DNS event logs for errors so you can react quickly to any. Finish by cleaning up any stale DNS entries in AD integrated zones and confirm group policies and DHCP scope options point to the replacement DNS servers. Once done, run enslookup and dcdiag to validate resolution and domain controller health. Make sure SRV records exist for Active Directory and that clients resolve domain controllers. If you encounter resolution failures, immediately reintroduce the DNS role or restore from your exported backup, because rapid restoration minimizes user impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.